Good morning, guys. Welcome to Update Study Practice channel. Today we are going to discuss about a new topic, fresh topic, and the fourth subtitle, which is continuous pattern series. Already we saw about three topics: numeric topic, that means numerical reasoning, alphabet reasoning, and then alphanumeric reasoning. Now we are going to discuss about continuous pattern series reasoning. Okay, let's get started. And the first question is, dash dash ABA dash dash BA dash AB. Okay, dash dash ABA dash dash BA dash AB, and the options are, in this kind of series they will give a 4 option. For every question they will give a option, but for this series if we use this option means it will easy to find the solution. So only I am using the option to find the solution. They give 4 options: A, B, B, A, B. Then third one is B, W, A, B, B. Then B, B, A, B, A. So here they give 4 kind of options. Maybe they will give 5 options also. And the fifth option, E option, maybe none of this. They will give like this too. But in this continuous pattern series, if we use the option to find the solution means it's easy one. Okay, by using this option A, B, 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 A, we are going to drop in the fill in the blanks, and we have to check whether there will be a pattern or series present inside or not. Okay, come on, let's check it out. First we will try with this A option. Okay, just fill in the blanks with A, B, 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 A. Okay, first option A. So I am filling A, then B. For second, fill in the blanks. I fill in B, then same pattern A, B, A given in the question. Next, third one also here B is given. Fourth one also here B is given. So I am filling B. Then from question B, A dash. Fifth one is A. So I am filling A, then A, B. See here, is there any series, continuous pattern series means is there any same series will be repeated. See here, if A, B, okay, so A, B is one series, here also A, B, oh, here also A, B, then, but here it's B, A, sorry, B, B, A, A, and then A, B. So there is no continuous pattern series. Can you understand? See here, I am repeating again. AB, and first we have fill in AB. So again given in the question AB. So AB, AB, and then third also AB. So this is a pattern, continuous pattern. AB is repeating na. That one is the continuous pattern. AB, AB, AB. But here look it up. It's BB. Here AA. Then AB. So the A option is not the answer, because here AB is not repeating, here also AB is not repeating. If here also AB, here also AB means this one this answer must be the correct one. So A option is not the correct answer. Then we look out the next option, B option, to fill in the blanks. Come on, let's check it out. You're going to fill B in the fill in the blanks. Okay, so first one is A. Okay, second one is B. Okay, then third one is from the question, A, B, A. Then third one, fill in the blanks. From this is B. Then fourth one also fill in the blanks. From this is A. Then from question B, A. And the fifth one also fill in the blanks, B. Fifth one is B. Then from question A, B. Come on, let's check it out whether there is a pattern, continuous pattern present inside the series or not. See here, it's AB. Okay, AB, again repeating, then again AB, then again AB, then again AB, AB. So this is a continuous pattern series. AB is repeating continuously, na? So this is a continuous pattern series. See here, I am separated and tell you. See here, AB, AB, again AB, again AB, again AB, then again AB, then also AB. So see here, AB is repeatedly coming. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 6 times repeating. This is a continuous repetition. So this pattern is called continuous pattern series. So here we get the answer. But no problem, you can find out with the other solution using the C and using the D option also you can find the solution, but it's not repeatedly coming. See, I will write, for example, I will write with any one option you can write, because here already we found the answer. B is the correct answer because this one is repeatedly coming. Let's check out with this too. Okay, just I am filling it. See, first one is B, second one is A, and from question A, B, A, and then from solution A, B, and then from question B, A, and then from solution B, and then from question A, B. Okay, see here it's repeatedly coming. B, A, no. Here B, A, here A, B, here A, here B, B, and here A, B, and here A, B. Is there any continuously coming any series? No. Here see, here it's B, A, here A, B. It's changed in first beginning itself. So this also not an answer. Okay, then we will go for D option. Okay, let's check it out. The D option too. First dash is B, second dash is B, and then A, B, A from question. Then fourth and fifth dash. Third and fourth are A, B, and again from question B, A. And then fifth dash is A, then from question A, B. Here also check out this, whether any continuously any pattern is coming. B, B, A, B, A, A, no. A, B, B, A. There is no similarities between the patterns. Here only A, B, A, B, A, B, A, B, and A, B are repeatedly coming. So this is the correct one. Second option, B option, is the correct option. Answer. All others are not correctly coming. So B is the correct answer. And the solution is, what's the answer is A, B, B, A, B. This is the solution. Okay guys, can you clear about it? If you have any doubt, please comment me. This is simple sum, but we have to find the solution answer using the options. Otherwise you can directly find means time will be taken. No, so only I am using the options to find the answer. So this is called a continuous pattern series. Tomorrow we can see with more examples. Thank you. Happy day. Please subscribe and share my channel. If you have any doubt, please comment me. I will explain. Bye.